I'm doing a quick video how to remove the door panel, upgrade the speakers on the AcuraTSX. This is a 05 TSX. As you can see, I'm working with a knife, a small steak knife, you know what I mean? I found that to be a little bit easier than a screwdriver, in my opinion. You know what I mean? Hopefully I don't cut myself. So I'm just working with one hand right now so I can make this video. Got it. Tricky little fella. I didn't damage it too much, a little bit, but not too much. As you can see, it's got 2 screws right there. I'm sorry, man. I'm at my mom's house for the holidays. Supposed to meet her here, but she I actually beat her to it, so figured I'd do something in my spare time. That's one screw. There's 2 of them where you open up, where the door latch is at. It's kind of quick to do, but I'm working with one hand. So hopefully y'all can help somebody out, you know what I mean, when they go to do it. So that's that. Then you got this little rubber piece right here, using the same Phillips screwdriver to wedge it out. And there's another screw in there. Car's a little dirty, you know what I'm saying? That's all right. I gotta get it clean. And you do want to kind of keep a mental note of, you know what I mean, where these screws go, because they're not all the same. They're all Phillips, but they're all different sizes. And you don't want to strip, mess nothing up, trying to force things where they don't go. Then you're gonna, I don't know if this is the smartest way to go about it, but I'm gonna go right here. I might actually use a little steak knife because it's thinner. No, I'm not gonna do that. Scratch that. Let's go in here. See how that props up? Kind of wedge it in there. And you don't want to be too rough with it, you know what I mean? But you don't want to be too shy either, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get it just right. Gotta get it just right, you know what I mean? That's the name of the game. Get it just right. Once I got it loose already, I'm just gonna follow it, and you can see it's loose now. Now that's loose, just pull it back, and you can see you got a connector right there. And you just gotta kind of pull it out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but if you look, it's got a little clip right here. A little clip right there, right in the middle. I'm gonna press down on that. and then just pull down as far as possible, you know, with a screwdriver, and then just pull it out. It'll pull right out. I'm assuming it's gonna be the same with this. So I'm pulling it down, and it came right out. Well, now you got your controls already out. This is my first time doing it. I did it on the other side, but it was a little bit different, but you know, all in all, it's the same concept. So, and I think that's pretty much it. After that, now it's just the little clips, and you can start. I usually try to start here. People say start from the bottom, but I always like to start here, on the edge, and just kind of, you know, don't too aggressively rip it out. You know, just kind of, you know, give it a little tug. You hear that? Slide back down a little bit. There you go. And you hear the little things popping out. See, I'm just kind of running my fingers in there, not pulling too aggressive. There you go. I think I got them all. There's one here left, right there. And all you got to do is just lift this thing up, wiggle it, don't force it. And then over here, you're gonna have this thing. People say it's tough, but it's really not tough. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is just pop this out of the little plastic piece. Just like that. Then pull it out, and we out, you know what I mean? Boom. And after that, it's just this little light right here. And it comes with a clip. And you got the panel off. You got the panel off right there. And let's see what's going on here. This old bogus speaker, man. Look at this. So yeah, I'm gonna upgrade it. Speakers I got from my home girl. She sold them to me for relatively cheap. Figure I put them to some good use. Got these, and got this thing. Hold on, I'm trying to show y'all what else you're gonna need. Excuse the mess in the car, in the vehicle. I got this thing off of Amazon, you know, because it has its own little, you'll see. So I bought this one off of Amazon for like $8. Comes with two of them. And you're gonna need this wiring harness adapter or whatever. This part plugs into the back of the speakers, and this part plugs into the wiring harness that comes stock in the vehicle. And then you're gonna need a drill, you know, like a DeWalt joint. And what I would recommend is get yourself some of these self-tapping screws. That way you don't need to drill a hole, and you know, drill a hole and then put the, you know, just save yourself a step. Get yourself some self-tapping screws. I got these at Home Depot for like $1.50 or $2, something like that. It's not that much, and you know, save me a headache. So after that's done, what you want to do is, come on. This got some like glue or something back here, so you gotta, you know, kind of pry this off. Once it's off, now you can just wiggle that thing out of there. Take this clip out, you're not gonna need it anymore. Or I mean, if you want to keep it, whatever. Press right here on the sides, see these two things? And then you pull it out. Okay, so you can see I got the positive into the positive, negative into the negative. Then I got the wiring harness plugged into what, you know, that green, see where the green wires coming out of? That's the stock connector. So the wiring harness that I bought off of Amazon plugs right into here. And you can search with your vehicle model, same for this little bracket or whatever this is. And you know, I drilled 2 holes, one right here and one down at the bottom. And you know, now I'm just gonna put it together. The reason why I'm not using more more screws to hold this, because on the other side I noticed that 2 was enough. You know, it'll hold it sturdy, but I am gonna go back to Home Depot and get some more of the other screws. The self-tapping screws. It's just they didn't have any more today. I guess because it's New Year's or something. I don't know if there's a lot of people doing, you know, their own renovations or what, but this is what I bought. And they drill straight into the metal. Excuse me. They drill straight into the metal. You don't have to drill a hole first. It is a little bit tricky, but you know, it's not too hard. So you can see, put 2 screws in. One's on, you know, on the outer edge. One's on the inner band. I miscalculated. I didn't feel like, you know, re-drilling the hole or whatever. So, you know, that works for me. It's sturdy. It doesn't move. And you know, what really matters is it gonna work? So let's test that out. So as you can see, it works. You know what I mean? I know my stuff's a little dirty. Don't worry about it, man. I'm gonna get somebody to clean it, or I'll clean it myself. You know, I don't know yet. Probably get somebody to just clean it for me. And you know, that's how you do it, man.